Alright, here's my base for a camper stabilizer. It's about 6 inches by 6 inches, and I used a piece of mesh that I had acquired from a previous job that was too big, too thick for my other project, so I chose to just use it on this. Worked out really well. Took washers and ground down the end of it a little bit, give it a little bit more welding surface. I had first tried that, but it wasn't high enough to move around when the leg came down and hit the ground. So ground it down a little bit, give it a little more welding surface. Welded it on all the way around, a little bit on the bottom, make sure it was nice and sturdy. Over welded it, and I ground it clean with the little 4-inch grinder there, or using the table bench, whatever you have, whatever you prefer. Use both. You could probably use a file if you wanted to. Keep it kind of smooth in case you bump into it, you don't cut your leg. This stuff is really sharp, this particular one. And that's all I did. Stuck a peg through it. I only had so many cotter pins, so I turned and welded the top on the other end and stuck a hole through it with a cotter pin. There's my washer, put a little bit of paint, keep it from rusting. Works really well in the driveway. We'll find out what it works like out in the field. If it bends, we'll maybe add another, not another layer total, but at least around the edges or something to give it a different base so it sturdies it up so it won't bend. And I use my MIG welder from Harbor Freight. Simple little customized leg for my camper instead of buying it. Didn't cost me much. Everything I had in here was in the garage. A little bit of weld, probably a lot of weld, but it just took me a little bit of time. I mean, it was not difficult. Time and measuring everything I had. So there you have it. My name is Joe Stock. Hope you enjoy it. Happy welding.